Uncontrolled surges caused by lightning or supply disturbances can damage unprotected equipment with potentially catastrophic consequences. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Control Logic offers the Novaris range of IEC-compliant surge protection products to protect equipment from these destructive effects. The comprehensive range includes devices for all applications, ranging from main switchboard and distribution board surge protection, PLC and control system protection, to RF coaxial protection. Novaris devices are available with all mode protection to ensure the maximum level of protection is achieved at all times. And multi-stage transient protection delivers even greater levels of protection through a staged approach. Thermal sensing is standard to warn of overheating, and all devices are housed in safe, all-metal enclosures suitable for DIN rail mounting. Onboard displays indicate the status of each device, and optional external alarms allow devices to be monitored remotely over the Novaris Surge indicator panel. And you can find out more, you should, about surge protection from Control Logic on 1-800-557-005 or visit them at controllogic.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.